Good evening, everyone. Welcome to today's meditation. Please take a comfortable position. सब लोग आराम से बैठ जाएं। अगर किसी को लेटना है तो वो लेट सकता है। बस एक बात का ध्यान रखें कि हमारी रीढ़ की हड्डी सीधी होनी चाहिए। Our spinal cord should be straight and relaxed. Totally relaxed. We are going to do a deep meditation which will help you release negative patterns. Please close your eyes gently and sit comfortably. Today, I will program new concepts and new ideas into your subconscious mind. So, it is freedom time. Let yourself get very comfortable and aware that the past is over and done and cannot be changed. So let's let the past go because we know it cannot be changed. This is only moment that exists. Let the past go. It is very important for you to let the past go. Turn on your attention to this new moment right now. In order to reprogram the subconscious mind, we need to relax our body. Let the tension go out of your body and mind. You are always in change and you are always safe. Feel that you are very safe with yourself right now and that you are open to perspective that which is for your highest good and for your greatest joy. Now, let's relax the mind. Just let it go limp like a piece of silk and let all the thoughts slide off. Take a deep breath and just release your resistance. Let your scalp and your forehead relax. Let your eyes, let all the muscles of your body relax. Let your eyes sink deep into your head. Let your chin and your lips just relax. Let your jaw muscles relax. Allow the teeth to separate a little. Relax the very base of your tongue. You may notice how tense your tongue was and how good it feels to relax your tongue. Relax your throat and the back of your neck. Feel that the relaxation moving into the shoulder, down through the arm, the elbow, through the lower arm, into your wrist, hands, and your fingers. Take a deep breath and let your chest relax. Your breathing is nice and easy now. Relax your heart, your lungs, your abdomen. Let your whole back relax. All the back muscles become very heavy, and to visualize your vertebra in perfect alignment. Let that relaxed feeling move down through your legs into your knees, through your lower leg, ankle, and feet. Let your skin relax. Go even deeper into relaxation. Let your internal organs relax. You are relaxed and peaceful right now. Deeper, deeper, and deeper. You are one with all the life. You are not only, but one with very power that created you. One intelligence that created this entire planet is the same intelligence that you think. But the power that created you has given you the power to create yourself, your own environment and experience. No one has any power over you, for you are the only thinker in your mind. You are the power and authority in your own life. Yes, we honor and acknowledge that when you were a child, there was some difficult time. There were times when you were lonely, when you felt unwanted and unloved. You were rejected, abandoned, even exhausted. Sometimes there were terrible times, and we say, yes, that was true. But the past has no power over you now. The point of power is in the present moment. Each present moment is a new beginning, and this moment is a new beginning for you, right here, right now. So we take the past, all of it, up to this very moment and wrap it in divine love, and we release it and let it go. We affirm that you are now free. You are not your father. You are not your mother. You are not any of your relatives. You are not the teachers at school, nor you the limitless of your early religious upbringing. You are yourself, a divine, magnificent expression of life. Since time began on this planet, there was, there has never been another person like you, and there never will be. You are special, unique, with your own set of talents and abilities. No one can do things exactly the way you do. So there is no competition, there is no comparison. You are a magnificent being, worthy of your own love and your own self acceptance. We now acknowledge this is true. We order your subconscious mind to release any and all negative beliefs that are limiting you in any way, whether you know what they are or not, no matter how long they have been there. We order them wiped out, erased, eliminated, neutralized, released. We affirm that you are now free from them. We affirm that you are willing to release the causes, the patterns in your consciousness that are creating any negative conditions in your life now. You are willing to release the need for this condition. You are now totally free. You allow it to disappear, to fade away, to dissolve back into nothingness from where it came. You are now willing to stop mentally rejecting what you say you want. You are now free. You are free from the past. The old garbage no longer has a hold on you. You are free. You create in the present moment with the power of your own mind that which you now desire. Your current thoughts are always creating your future. Now you will do this consciously. You will think with the awareness that your thought is creative. So we now replace those negative patterns with a new positive affirmation and acknowledgement of your own magnificence and capability to be and to do whatever you desire. We now affirm a new sense of love and acceptance of your own self. Feel that your heart is opening and know that there is room in there for you. You, there is so much love in your heart that you could heal the entire planet, but just For now, let us use this love to heal you. Allow this love to change the way you think about yourself. Begin to talk about yourself in a new loving way. I am totally adequate at all times. I approve of myself. I am totally adequate and I approve of myself. This may not feel like the truth for you right now, but repeat it over and over and over again and again, and it will become the truth for you. I am totally adequate at all times and I approve of myself. No matter how foolish you may seem to behave for the moment, that you will never again stop loving and approving yourself. You're in process of becoming your own best friend, the person you are most joyous to be with. Now, this love you have for yourself begins to radiate out from you in all directions, above you, beneath you, and on either side of you, front of you, back, everywhere. We affirm that there are people looking for exactly what you have to offer, and you are being brought together on the chessboard you like. Let, no matter how large a problem you may have, think you have, you are only dealing with a thought, and a thought can be changed. We choose to think a thought, the thought produces a feeling, and we believe that it is even self hating. Hating a thought you have about yourself, and that thought can be changed. That's where our freedom lies, in our ability to choose a new thought. Trust, calm, we have reprogrammed your mind, subconscious mind again. Feel it all relax. Feel it in your mind, in yours, on your skin. Feel it in every cell of your body. Feel it everywhere in you that you are totally a new person with a new subconscious, totally reprogrammed your subconscious mind. Thank you.